Okay, so you get ready to make your coffee, and when you turn it on, your display is saying flush. Don't mind the grind size. I had an accident with my machine yesterday, but it's working great today. But to get this process started, I'm just going to be filling up the back of my tank with water. I'm filling it all the way up to the max line because we don't want the machine to run out of water during this process. I am doing this on a Breville Barista Pro, so if you have a different machine, I recommend you look up, the instructions on how to do it for your machine. And don't be like me, you guys. Make sure you're pouring your water into the back tank and not into the grinder like I did yesterday. But as you guys can see, my machine is working perfectly fine now. This part was extra. You don't have to remove this grate, but I did because I wanted to make sure that the back flush was working properly. As this video goes, you guys will see what I mean. So to get started, you're going to take your portafilter and you're going to put in your single 1-cup basket. To that, you're going to add this little plug in there. I don't know the name of this thing, but it came with the machine and that's the purpose for it. You're going to just pop that right in there. And then there's a little indent on that little plug, and that's where you're going to put your cleaning tab. Right here, I'm just using the cleaning tabs that came with my machine, but I also have the Kafiza brand. If you guys want more information about it, I will let you guys know. So to get this machine started, we put it into the machine. I'm sorry, I forgot where I was going. But anywho, we're going to go into our menu. And then we're going to scale up to where it says flush. You're going to select that. And then you are going to press that button right there. It's lit up. It's the 1-cup button. And this is going to get the entire process started. As you guys can see, it said 5 and now it says 4. So it's going to be running different cycles as it goes through. Right here, this is the first cycle it's going through. Lots of soapy suds is coming out of the portafilter. And then it's done. I'm going to be showing you guys how many different times it's going to go through this process. So now we are on 3. It's pretty much going to be doing the exact same thing, but did you guys see that puff of water at the bottom? That's the back flush. That's what I opened this up to. I want to make sure it's doing that. You guys can see it's doing that again. Now as we get down to our last one, more of those foamy soapy suds right there. And then on this last one, it's more like it's just really flushing it all out. As you guys can see, the water is not soapy at all. It's just really going through. And this is what that soapy, coffee stained water is looking like in there. So I went ahead, you guys, and I put my machine back together. I poured out the water, cleaned out that bottom tray, and put everything back together. And then I'm going to remove my portafilter, and I saw that I still had soap in here. So if you still have soap, you're going to want to make sure you run this entire process again until, you see my water was clear, until there is no soap residue left in there. And then you just wipe your machine down and you are good to go. I hope this helped you guys.